Hello, children. Good morning to all. I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, welcome back to our EVS online class. And you all know that we have started with a new chapter and we have completed also. So, I hope that you enjoyed your Sunday also and you have completed all your work which was pending in your EVS subject. So, now, children, it's time for a new activity today. So before starting with the activity, you all know that this is our EVS online period and we are doing chapter number 9, that is our home. So today, before the activity, I am going to explain this chapter in the form of animated video, okay, without using any book. Today I am going to explain this chapter. So children, listen to it very carefully. So before starting with the chapter explanation, children, I would like to start this video with a thought, a nice thought, that is, a house is made up of bricks and stones, but a home is made of love alone. This is a very touching and very nice thought which I have heard many years ago when I was a small kid. Okay, children, so remember that the house in which we live with our family is called a home. So that is why जिस फैमिली में हम रहते हैं, जब हम एक घर में पूरे फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं, उस घर को हम होम का नाम देते हैं. बिकॉज हाउस तो ईंट पत्थर सबसे बनता है, लेकिन होम कैसे बनता है? पूरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के प्यार से, ओके, सबके एक साथ रहने से. सो एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर दैट all the family members, all the children are living together and they are forming a very happy family. इनकी happy family है, ओके, ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड फादर, पेरेंट्स, चिल्ड्रन, दोनों सब लोग हैं. सो दे आर लिविंग इन अ वेरी नाइस होम. ओके, नाउ we have studied in this chapter that there are many rooms in our home. So in our home, we see bedrooms, we see study rooms, we see drawing rooms, then dining rooms, then kitchen, then bathroom. And in this picture, you can see one more image of a garage where you keep your vehicles or your cars. Is that clear? So let's get started with the explanation part of each and every room. So first of all, when we enter our home or our house, the first room which we see is the drawing room. So this is a picture of a perfect drawing room, children. अब इस drawing room में क्या क्या है? टीवी है, सोफाज हैं, ओके, टेबल है, कुछ डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स हैं. सो ड्राइंग रूम्स में हम क्या करते हैं? वी सिट एंड टॉक टू आर गेस्ट्स. जब हमारे घर में गेस्ट आते हैं तो हम उनके साथ बैठते हैं और बातें करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो लिसन टू म्यूज़िक एंड वॉच टेलीविजन. ओके, then comes your dining room. Now this is the second room when we enter our home after drawing room. Okay, so what we all do in dining room, do you remember? Very good, children. So as you can see in this picture, we eat our meals इन डाइनिंग रूम. जब भी हमें खाना खाना होता है, जब भी हमें अपना ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर करना होता है, तो हम कहाँ करते हैं? डाइनिंग रूम में, डाइनिंग टेबल पर बैठकर. ओके, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दे आर सिटिंग इन अ डाइनिंग रूम. वेरी गुड. नाउ coming to the next room, that is study room. Okay, so study room is a place where we study. ओके, सो स्टडी रूम एक कौन सा रूम है? जहाँ पे हम पढ़ाई करते हैं. सो मैनी ऑफ यू मस्ट नॉट बी हैविंग स्टडी रूम सेपरेटली, बट वी मेक अ स्टडी रूम इन आवर बेडरूम्स ओनली और somewhere else. Okay, so in this picture, children, you can see this is a perfect example of study room where you can see a table, okay, on which a computer is kept, study lamp is kept, book books are kept. One board is also there for important notes. Okay, and there are bookshelves, bag is kept there, guitar is kept there when you are feeling bored, so you can use guitar, pen stand, everything. Okay, then the next room is kitchen. Now kitchen is a very important place in our home. अगर किचन नहीं होगा तो आपको खाना कहाँ बनाओगे? Okay, so in every perfect home there is a perfect kitchen. Okay, so what is the use of kitchen? As you can see in the next picture, yes, this is a perfect beautiful kitchen. You can see, very good. So in this kitchen your mother cooks food for you. She cooks tasty and delicious food for you. ओके, आपकी मम्मा अच्छा सा बहुत टेस्टी और डिलीशियस खाना आपके लिए किचन में बनाती है. ओके, सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स आवर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रूम, दैट इज द bedroom. Now bedroom is the most important room. Why? Because in this room we take rest when we are tired. हम बेडरूम में क्या करते हैं? डू यू ऑल नो? वेरी गुड. सो हम बेडरूम में जब भी कहीं से बाहर से आते हैं या हम बहुत थके हुए होते हैं तो बेडरूम में हम रेस्ट करते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर इज़ अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ परफेक्ट बेडरूम. नाउ दिस इज़ अ बेडरूम ऑफ सम चाइल्ड. ओके, किसी बच्चे का रूम है ये, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेशन है, कलरफुल डेकोरेशन है, बच्चों के ही चीज़ें रखी हैं. एंड देर इज़ अ डबल बेड वे यू कैन टेक रेस्ट एंड स्लीप. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज़ bathroom. Now you all know that how bathroom is used. You all know when you want to when you go for a bath, you go to a bathroom. So bathroom is also a very important thing which should be there in our perfect homes. Okay, so in this picture you can see this is a perfect example of a bathroom where there is a mirror, there is a wash basin, there is a bathtub, there is a separate place for taking bath. So everything is there, towel is there, soaps are there. Okay, everything is there in a bathroom. So children, I hope you all have understood this much. Now there are some important points which you have to always remember to keep your home in a very nice and in a very perfect manner. So what are those points? Always keep your clothes in the cupboards. हमेशा अपने clothes को cupboards में रखिए. Then always keep your books in shelves. And in the last, always keep your home neat and clean. हमेशा अपना सामान जगह पे रखिए और हमेशा अपने घर को साफ सुथरा रखिए. So that is all in this video, children. I hope you all have enjoyed this video very much and you have understood the topic also very nicely. Now it's time for me to say bye to all of you. So children, this was part 1 video, and now please children switch on to my part 2 video in which we will be doing our activity. So bye bye children.